believe.
Hell!
And yesterday, I have to tell you everything.
So what happened? How'd you break your leg?
Oh, Santa Link.
Santa Link.
Yeah, this happened yesterday at the Santa Link. I was lined up, to get the money.
Yeah.
When I get to the line, they said, no money for you.
And then somebody hit you.
Nah! I said, bloody shit, what am I gonna do? I needed the money. So what I did, next day, I go in with this here. And then they give me all of the money I want.
So you don't have a broken leg?
Nah! Look, my leg is so good. Look at that. I can stretch, I can twist around. Nah! It's just for the money.
The bluff.
No bluff. I come here to help you. Hey, you need the money?
Yeah.
Here, take this and you try tomorrow. Trust me, this will work very good.
Can I use this for the tomato plants?
Kumare, what have you been doing?
I've been here. Maria, she went out shopping in there. Good. To get something. Good. I've just been here watching TV. And let me tell you, Pasquale, I saw something that made me throw up in my pants. I can't even watch this show anymore because it imprint in my brain.
You watch Master Chef?
No.
Big Brother?
No.
Home and Away?
Worse.
Neighbours?
No.
That the blood farmer want to wife?
That's not too
That's
bad.
not bad, that
but
one. That's not bad.
not that one.
Oh, which one do you watch?
I watch The Voice.
It's a good show.
This happened, look.
Battle up against George in this connection.
That's a fucking disgusting.
Yeah, I know. Why would you put your feet up on national TV like that?
Can't she see her feet just dirty?
They're dirty feet.
She got a dirty feet. Make a complaint. Ring channel 9 now. Speak to the voice, and you make a complaint.
Oh! Channel 9.
Excuse me. Put the number in.
I used to press this, a nice lady would come on and she say, hello people.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
7.
good, 7.
That's it.
That's it.
Oh! Hello, who's speaking? Because I think it's disgusting to have some more feet on national TV, stinky corn and fast with the bloody skin coming off on the feet.
Bravo.
You shouldn't do that.
Bravo, tell them, you tell them people,
I tell you.
Tell them now.
I tell them right now.
Hey, what do they say?
They hung up.
Oh! It's me, Pasquale. Yeah, my friend, the people just ring and tell you get this shit show off of the television. It's too much disgusting feet. Nobody want to see that. You want to see that?
No.
No. You don't believe it. I ring the wrong channel. I ring the channel 10.
What do you think I'm a brand new couch?
This is your couch?
Brand new.
It looks the same like the last one.
I know. I got the new model.
Ah, what's this to do?
Electric recliner.
No.
Yeah.
Can I try?
Give it a shot.
Man,
How good is this?
It's beautiful.
This is like the Rolls Royce of the couch.
Oh,
yeah.
It's good for
It's a bloody sleep.
back.